Hello, I am Dr. Siri. I'm a consultant obstetrician at Fernandez Hospital. I'm here to answer a few frequently asked questions about preeclampsia. Preeclampsia is high blood pressure that develops either during second half of pregnancy or soon after childbirth. It is unique to pregnancy and severe form of the disease is often associated with high protein levels in urine, fall in platelet count, damage to liver or kidneys, severe headache, visual disturbances, or seizures. The signs that indicate preeclampsia are sudden weight gain, blood pressure more than or equal to 140/90, and protein in urine, which are often difficult to notice, but can be picked up during routine checkups. The symptoms are severe headache, vomiting, visual problems like flashing or blurring of vision, pain below the ribs, swelling of feet, hands, and face. The exact cause of preeclampsia is still not known. It is thought to occur when there is a problem with formation of placenta during first half of pregnancy. Placenta is a special organ unique to pregnancy that connects a mother to her unborn baby. Women are at higher risk of developing preeclampsia if they have pre-existing conditions like diabetes, hypertension, kidney disease, or autoimmune diseases. Risk also increases with a history of preeclampsia, family history, age more than 40, BMI over 35, or women carrying twin pregnancies. If preeclampsia is severe or not treated immediately, the problems affecting the mother are fits, stroke, fluid in lungs, kidney and liver failure, and breakdown of blood clotting system. Babies of women with preeclampsia grow slowly because the amount of nutrients and oxygen passed from the mother are reduced. Management depends on severity. Mild cases are treated with medication and close monitoring. Severe cases require hospital admission for maternal and fetal surveillance. Since preeclampsia is progressive, the only definitive treatment is delivery of the baby and placenta, trying to ensure the best possible outcome for both mother and child. I hope this helped you better understand preeclampsia. Do comment or message us if you have further questions. Thank you.